What's up, guys? And we're playing on the Fantastic Day. I don't think I told you this, but I have like a little coconut home for him. I got like a little bridge here. I got like one of those thingies. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but I was trying to get him in the coconut, and I have some other toys for him too. Well, actually, we have more of these. More of those. And we have like a little swing here. Right, like here. Whee. And we have this little thing here. It's obviously it's real wood. There's some bark under it. Here, wanna come out? Are you camera shy? You're camera shy, aren't you? Hey, put on my finger.
Wow, that is one disgusting miracle.
Okay, so I have him right here.
It's a baby. A beautiful little baby. He likes that. There's some other stuff I'm going to pretend I don't see.
Okay, so we're gonna try and get him in the coconut. He's in the coconut. He doesn't really like it, but he's kind of in there. Oh, and also we have a sick thing here.
I'm really happy for you guys.
You don't have that much time to relax. The other one will be along in a minute.
Look at how cute. Oh, the camera's not focusing. Oh my god, why is the other side so blurry? Like, clean. Dirty. Oh yeah, I was zooming in. Oh, his foot. Get off. Oh, his feathers. Do you want to get out or not? Whoa. Okay, that's it for today. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video.